Bolsonaro, hospitalized for chronic hiccups, may need surgery. Brazilian president's office says Jair Bolsonaro is affected by intestinal blockage and is being taken to São Paulo. In a local radio interview last week, Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro said he was affected by hiccups 24 hours each day. Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro is being taken to São Paulo where doctors will determine if he needs emergency surgery, his office said on Wednesday, after the far-right leader was hospitalized for chronic hiccups. Bolsonaro, 66, had been complaining publicly since last week about affected by hiccups following surgery on an implant on July 3. His office said in a statement on Wednesday afternoon that Bolsonaro, who has required several surgeries since being stabbed in the abdomen at a political rally in 2018, was suffering from an intestinal blockage. Earlier within the day, the office said he had been taken to a hospital within the capital Brasilia, to undergo tests and to research the explanation for the hiccups. Speaking to a local radio station last week, Bolsonaro had said, "This happened to me before. Maybe due to the medicine I'm taking, I have hiccups 24 hours a day." Translation: We'll be back soon, God willing. Brazil is ours. Bolsonaro's health has been a problem during his presidency. He nearly died after being stabbed within the intestines on the campaign trail in 2018, leading to multiple follow-up surgeries. Pro-Bolsonaro federal legislator Bia Kicis wrote on Twitter on Wednesday that Bolsonaro's hospitalization was a consequence of the 2018 knifing. It came because the president is facing mass protests and a Senate commission investigation into his government's handling of the coronavirus pandemic, which has killed quite 535,800 people to date, according to Johns Hopkins University data. Bolsonaro has also been accused of failing to adequately answer alleged irregularities within the Brazilian Health Ministry's procurement of a COVID-19 vaccine from India. After the reports of irregularities became public, the government suspended the contract. Citing an unnamed source with knowledge of the matter, the Reuters press agency reported on Monday that Brazil's federal police had formally opened a search into Bolsonaro over the allegations. The far-right leader also was accused this month of participating during a scheme to skim his aides' salaries when he served as a federal deputy. The president has denied all the allegations against him. But recent polls show his popularity is slipping, which could spell bad news beforehand of elections scheduled for next year. During the weekend, a Datafolha survey showed 54% of Brazilians support a proposed move by the country's lower house to open impeachment proceedings against Bolsonaro, compared with 42% who oppose it. It was the primary time a majority of Brazilians supported such a measure.